How to convert AVIF image format to JPG. Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily change AVIF image format to JPG. But before getting started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. Now let's jump right into the video. So if you have a image file that's on AVIF format and want to convert it to JPG, you'll have to open up your web browser first and then simply search for AVIF to JPG and then hit enter. Now here you'll find a bunch of options that you can use from. So you can just go ahead and choose the first option right here. So here you'll just have to select your AVIF file format. And if you want to convert it to any other format like BMP, EPS, and other options available here, you can do that as well. So you can just go ahead and click on File Format. So you can choose from your computer, by URL, Google Drive, or from Dropbox, or from OneDrive as well. Now once you select the file, I'm just going to choose from here. And I'm just going to select this random file. Here you'll see the big convert button, so just tap on convert and it will be converted to JPG. So once that is done, you should be good to go. That's pretty much it, guys. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If so, hit the like button below and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.